Hello and welcome to Ninja Sensei. Yay! So, this video perfectly demonstrates how bad I am at reading aloud in Japanese. And that's kind of the point. Because I'm bad at it now, but hopefully I will keep making videos and then show in a video in the future that I was bad at the beginning, but now I'm better in the future. And that will hopefully encourage people to keep reading aloud and, not feel bad about it. Because that's one of the reasons that I wanted to make this was because of all the positive comments and DMs that I got from the video I made on reading 100 Japanese kids books in 8 months. And so that was cool. And then I have to give a shout out to Kinniku Ninja for making the Pokemon Let's Plays that he's making at the moment, because his setup is super rustic and he's so cool about it and humble, and he killed all my excuses. So one of the main reasons I'm making this is because he helped me be less insecure about it. So kudos to him. So here I am being super nervous trying to read Anpanman far too fast, and it's the beginning of hopefully a long series of me attempting to read to get better. Hi, minasan. Oh, that's cool. Look, what are these things? Oh, look when you touch them, they shake. Oh, it's so cute. All right, cool. これからお花を植えますからね. Ah, so we're gonna plant flowers. Great. Hi. Hi. お花にも命がありますからね. That's right. Plants have lives too. たくさんかわいがってあげましょうね. Let's go to Qolibri. かわいがる. Ooh, it's a word. Okay, so I know the English is on there, but I'm gonna try not to look at that first. Okay, alright, it just means love. Great, we're gonna give it some love. Give those flowers lots of love. Okay, good, let's go. Hi. Okay. You can only say it once. お返事は1回でいいんだぞ. Okay, only. That's so weird. He says haiueho. So if you've studied hiragana and katakana, you know that's how it's set up. Aiueo, kakikukeko, haiueho. So it's like, what does that actually mean? It's like a villain coming up to you and being like, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's like, what does that even mean? It's very strange. Anyway. お花なんか可愛がらなくて Yeah, that's right. 可愛がらなくていいんだよ. He doesn't say yo. いいんだ. Okay, let me try it again. We're new to this. お花なんか可愛がらなくていいのだ. Okay, I did well. Good job, me. 俺様がこうしてやるんだもんね. Oh my god, you don't step on my plants and get away with it. Good job. Ah, お花が. さあ. Sorry. I'm having too much fun already with this. さあ、お前らが持っている花も全部よこせ. Give me all your flowers. キャー. 皆さん、いいですか? こういう時は声を合わせて、せーの。アンパンマン。来たな、アンパンマン。Oh, he went Super Saiyan. 今日こそはお前を倒してやるのだ。Sorry. Oh, something's gonna happen. Something's happening. でパンチを出してハートを取り合うよ。Okay? ハートを取られないようにI can't even read this right now. 攻撃 Okay. ように攻撃が God, I suck at reading aloud. I'm gonna have to go slower. 来たら 矢印の方向へ逃げてね。OK。B を使って、スマイリーフェイス笑顔スマイリーフェイスでアンパンチ。That's so cool. アンパンチ。It's like the bat punch or the bat kick or batarang. That's so cool. Putting Anpanman and punch together. Anpunch. Anpanchi ya. Ankiku ga. 出せるよ。頑張ってね。Oh, it's happening. Let's start. All right. Dodge. Dodge. I'm gonna punch you in your face. Oh, that's one punch. Ichigeki. Oh. Looks like Team Rocket's blasting off again. Arigato, Anpanman. And you don't say anything. That's very strange. Okay, bye. Way to leave us hanging there. Alright, cool. Anpanman to Pandorobo. You are not gonna steal my bread. My mom loves bread, and that I will not tolerate that. Kyomo. Oh, we're at 7 minutes already? Good God. Okay, so I kind of want these to be short, so let's just do this and then we'll call it a day. Kyomo yoi de. Oh man, I almost said something bad. Kyomo yoi o tenki ni natta ne. Okay. Oishii pan ga takusan tsukure sou da yo. That's right. Watashi tachi mo ganbarimashou ne. Let's do our best. Ne, cheese. Don't you be saying that to me. Talking to me about cheese. Is that what dogs say in Japanese? They say bark, woof, or like bow wow in English. Why do you say an? Sorry. みんなの笑顔が楽しみですね。また負けたの？ Did you lose again? Bro, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, bro. あそこでやっておけば悔しいですね。そう思うと余計に悔しい。情けないな。そんなに悔しいのなら昔に戻れば。昔になんて戻れるわけ。昔に？そうか。いいことを思える。I tried to read it that fast, but I totally messed that up. Let me try that again. いいことを思いついちゃったのだ。Can we try that again? いいことを思いついた。I can't do it. I love displaying to all people watching that I suck at this. いいことをI'm giving up on that one. 思いついちゃったのだ。Here we go. さすが俺様って天才。I'm a genius. フル時計さん。そう、old clock の力を借り。昔に戻って Let's go back in time. Turtles in time. たくさんのメカたくさんのメカを戻ってくるのだ。メカこれでアンパンマンに勝てちゃう。hate those. 勝てちゃうもんね。ドキンちゃんもぜひ協力してね。バイキンマン、あたしお腹空いちゃった。あら、ドキンちゃん。You hungry? Go eat some food. 食べ物をIf I read it in my head, I can read it fast. 持ってきてくれたら協力してあげるよ。Why do I always put yo at the end? 協力。I'm around kids way too much. 協力してあげる。 もう本当にわがままなんだから。You're selfish. You're so selfish. 早く行きなさい。はい。じゃあ僕はパトロール。You gotta love katakana. Making English words not look or sound like English words. Patrol? No. パトロールに行ってきます。頼んだよ、アンパンマン。それ、行け！ Don't you tell me what to do. Tell me to go. アンパンマン。On. There's that dog again. Why is he saying an? Oh, cool. Save, カード、ヒント。In case we have a save, we have cards and we have hints. I'm gonna go with the cards. There's no cards. Okay. I want the cards. Where do I look at the cards? Let's go back. Hint. ヒントだよ。Okay. Okay. I can't. There's no hints. Why can't I do any hints? セーブするよ。セーブする。はい、いいえ。はい。セーブしてるよ。セーブが終わったよ。Okay, so that was actually more fun than I thought it was going to be. As you could see, incredibly nervous to read that stuff out loud. But, you know, I thought it was fun, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do from now on. If I'm going to keep playing this, or if I'm going to just play a bunch of random different stuff, like probably going to play Resident Evil and, let's see, a couple Zelda games, or at least the beginnings of some of those games. And just kind of have fun. Read stuff that I want to try to read aloud. Not make it too difficult from the beginning. But yeah, that's pretty much what the project is going to be. So stay safe during the quarantine, practice your social distancing, and hopefully we will see you next time.